Good morning, good morning, good morning, real estate. Okay, in this video, I will share to you how to use the power of artificial intelligence. Okay, so I will share kung paano natin ginagawa yung mga documents natin instantly. Okay, like example, preparing authority to negotiate. Okay, like example, ano ang ating command? Okay, ito, prepare authority, type natin, authority to negotiate. Tingnan niyo, instantly, okay, the artificial intelligence will generate the documents na ating nire-request. Okay, so AI, para bang tayong we will task AI as our inutusan natin as parang personal assistant natin. Okay. So, di ba ang dali-dali lang, every time na i-modify natin, automatically, nag-update siya. And like example, prepare appraisal report, even appraisal report. Okay. Prepare appraisal report. Tingnan ninyo. Automatically, no? Ang dali-dali lang maggawa ng appraisal report ngayon. So, just using itong artificial intelligence, basta okay ang mga data na ating ibigay sa kanya. Okay, so I'm inviting you to attend our online training seminar for artificial intelligence application for a Philippine setting. This will happen on May 17, 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. via Zoom. So, kita-kita po tayo. I will share to you mga tips on mga particular na mga strategy on how to utilize artificial intelligence. For more information about the training, just message me directly sa aking messenger, Viber, or sa aking email. Okay. So, kita-kita po tayo. Okay. Once again, good morning, good morning, good morning, real estate.